So here it's given that we have the third term of our HP with a value of 6/7 and the 14th term is 1/3. We need to determine the nth term of the given harmonic progression. So let us begin. So we'll first state whatever is being provided to us. So here we are given the third term of a harmonic progression. So the third term of a harmonic progression that has the value 6/7. So using this, we can immediately tell that the third term of the arithmetic progression. The third term of this arithmetic progression, meaning we can convert the harmonic progression to an arithmetic progression. All we have to do is take the reciprocal of each term. So here, the reciprocal of the third term will be 7/6. So let's label this as number 1. Also, it's given here that the 14th term of the harmonic progression. So the 14th term of the harmonic progression has a value of 1/3, which means that the 14th term of the arithmetic progression, so all we have to do is take the reciprocal of the given harmonic progression. So we have 3. So let this be number 2. So what we have done, we have converted the respective term of the harmonic progression to the respective term of an arithmetic progression. Now what we'll do, we'll specify the first term and the common difference of the given arithmetic progression. So let the first term and the common difference of the arithmetic progression be A and D respectively. So we are specifying two values. Now once we do that, we can rewrite equation number 1, because 1 can now be also expressed as A plus 3 minus 1 times the common difference D. So that will be equals to 7/6. So we have A plus 2D equals to 7/6. So let this be equation number 3. And then we can specify equation number 2 as A plus 13D. So that's the 14th term of the arithmetic progression. That's equals to 3. So let this be equation number 4. So what we'll do, we'll take equation number 3 and from it we're going to subtract equation number 4. Such that we have A minus A, so that cancels out. 2D minus 13D is going to be negative 11D. This will be equals to, we have 7/6 minus 3, so that's going to be negative 11/6. Or D value comes out to be 1/6. Fine. Now that we have the value of the common difference D, we can find out the first term as well. So let's use equation number 4 as well. So from equation number 4, we have A plus 13D. So 13D will become 13/6 equals to 3. So A will be equals to 3 minus 13/6. So A comes out to be, so we have 18 minus 13. So that's going to be 5. So we have 5/6. So that's the first term. Now that we have the first term A, this is for the arithmetic progression, and the common difference D, we can find out the nth term. So let's do it here. The nth term, a nth term of the arithmetic progression. So that will be given by an equals to A plus n minus 1 times the common difference D. So substituting the value, we have 5/6 plus n minus 1 times the common difference, which is 1/6. So this will be equals to simply 1/6 multiplied to n plus 4. Right. So this is the nth term of the arithmetic progression. So how do we find out the nth term of the harmonic progression? All we have to do is take its reciprocal. So final answer will be therefore thus the nth term of the harmonic progression will be simply the reciprocal of the nth term of the AP. So that will be equals to 6 divided by n plus